So a lot of people ask me, life with A4, what cream can I use after I stop bleaching? Okay, I'm going to recommend some of the creams you can use after you stop bleaching. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Okay, so when you stop bleaching, you will realize that you are getting darker and ashy and darker and darker and darker, and you won't love your skin. Okay, so as someone who just stops bleaching, okay, the first thing you should incorporate into your routine is scrubbing. Okay, you have to scrub your skin at least twice a week. If you can't afford body scrub, just find sugar, coffee. I don't like to put oils in the scrub as it tends to leave oily thing on my body, so just find sugar, honey, and then mix half lemon or lime in it, and then you can add a little bit of turmeric, not so much as your bathtub will become yellow, so just a tiny bit of turmeric, and then shower gel, okay, for moisturizing how to be able to make it smooth. Okay, you can use that and then scrub your body. Like, scrubbing should be your best friend. Guys, forgive me, I have pain in my throat. I'm suffering from some allergies. Okay, so yeah, when I talk too much, I'll be swallowing, and yeah, I'll get this pain, so let's manage it. The first cream you can use after you scrub, okay, just find a nice body lotion, something like Medix 55. It's a very nice body lotion. It has vitamin C and turmeric. Okay, so when you use this turmeric to scrub your skin and you use turmeric body lotion like this, they all have lightening ingredients, but it's not going to lighten you or whiten you like this Abidjanese creams. No, this one will tone you slowly, like it will give you this nice glow, like this yellowish fine bubble like me. So it's going to give you a nice tone. Okay, this turmeric lotion promises to brighten and firm your skin. So when you got stretch marks as a result of this bleaching, I bet you this one will firm and tighten your skin and helps to fade the stretch marks. It won't clear it, but when it fades it, you're going to get a nice you're going to get a nice glow. Okay, yeah, my neck. Another thing, if you have stretch marks, please don't scrub the areas you have the stretch marks, as it's going to worsen it. I mean, just scrub the hardest part of your skin. Just leave the broken part. Okay, don't scrub the stretch marks. Just moisturize it with a good body oil. So let's read some of the ingredients here. The vitamin C here reduces the look of dark spots and blotchy tones. The blotchy tones is what I was describing. This red, black, Coca-Cola Fanta body. Okay, this will just clear everything and gives you a uniform radiant skin. The turmeric here promotes radiance with brightening curcumin. Yeah, I just summarized everything. This one is going to glow you. Okay, it's going to glow you and then make you beautiful. Okay, yeah. Another body lotion you can use is the Nivea. Okay, this Nivea body milk. I didn't show the consistency of this one. If you want to know the consistency, just go to my scroll to my videos. You see I have a detailed video on that. So let's get to the Nivea. This is Nivea body milk. It moisturizes your skin in 72 hours. Okay, and it's made from mandel oil. Mandel in English is almond. Yeah, it has almond oil and it's very good for very dry skin. Let me show you the consistency. Okay, this cream I also use for my kids, as in winter they get really dry skin. Can you see the moisturize? How it moisturizes? Can you see? Yeah, it's really good. Can you guys see? This Nivea is very good. You guys are sleeping on that Nivea, what's the name? Nivea brightness, whatever. This is very good. When you use this, like 3 bottles of this to clear your dark knuckles, it will glow you, it will moisturize your skin. It, look at my hand, like it gives a nice glow. Just find a nice body oil and then you pair it with that. Another thing is, this vanilla is for people who live in Germany. I'm not sure if other people can find it, so I will just leave this one and then move on to the next cream, okay? But if you get something like this, it's very good. Yeah, if you get something like this vanilla, it's also very good. It has the body milk and the body lotion. The body milk is almost similar to the Nivea, okay? It has oil and everything, but this one is, it doesn't have too much oil, okay? Since it's not really common in stores, let me just ignore this one. Now let's move to Skin Success Fade Milk. When you stop bleaching, you have bad skin, Coca-Cola skin, Fanta, Sprite, Pepsi, Guinness, all over your body. This one, let me read the ingredients. I think I have to do a separate video on the Skin Success Fade Milk Tone Correcting Body Lotion. It has vitamin E. Vitamin E will just flourish your skin, okay, to treat all your body wahala, okay? It improves the appearance of dark spots on even skin tone. You see, on even skin tone, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Pepsi, Sprite, Guinness, malt, okay? It will just clear everything and gives you a uniform, even skin. It promises to brighten skin, balances tone, target dark spots, correct discoloration, deeply. What are you waiting for? Go and buy it. It's small but mighty. The only thing I don't like is it's too small. Like, it's too small. It comes in 250 ml. It's very small. Like, when you squeeze one, then you are almost finished, okay? But it's very good. I'll make a detailed tutorial about this cream. I will make a detailed tutorial about this cream. So let's switch it up. Yeah, guys. Apart from that, you can also use what's the name? Coconut oil to repair your skin, olive oil to repair your skin, Eversheen cocoa butter to repair your skin. You know, when you stop bleaching, the first thing you have to do is go completely dark. Like, go back to factory reset. Go completely dark. After all the parts of your body, when you stop bleaching, here is red, blue, green, yellow. Make sure all the parts of your body goes black. So you can start with something like shea butter or Eversheen cocoa butter, okay? And when you have this, use it for like a year, minimum 6 months. When you have all this uniform black skin, you look for other alternatives to brighten your skin, but not in a bad way, not like the creams you used before, this Abidjanese cream and everything. You can start using all this Medix 55 brightening lotion, golden glow, all this kind of creams will just brighten you slowly in a nice way. Sorry, my neck. It will brighten you slowly, not so fast, not so harsh, okay? So yeah, guys, this is just by the way. The name is always Life with Ava. If you have watched me till now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, okay? And then tap on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be first to view it. Thank you. I love you. Bye.